This is a recording of the Ode to Construction Workers.
Can you start it?
Yes, it is.
Wait, we're singing it again?
Yeah.
I thought we were gonna...
Because we were going to record it and then sing it. Oh wait, are we doing it at the same time? Well then let's start!
Okay. Right. Put it like right here, let's... How that looks.
That does not look good. There we go.
Well, hello, Mr. King. I have a special surprise for you. All the people of my country were brought together and written this great ode to construction workers. And here it goes.
Take off your hats because it's kind of long.
Hi. Can I join in?
Sure, I guess so.
All right.
Here we go.
Hold on. 3, 2, 1.
With my shovel and with my hat, I dig and dig into the ground like that.
Boom!
Wearing bigless, I cannot say how cold it is today. As I remove my hat to wipe my brow, I realize somehow that I have changed the world. That we have changed the world. For tomorrow I cannot say where I'll dig this day. But nonetheless I dig and pour cement and other things I don't remember. I hear the crane in the distance saying to me, "Ah!" When I look up into the sky, I see way, way up high that I myself can recognize how high the crane can fly.
How high.
I know. I messed up.
Oh, let's redo that verse. We can just cut this out.
Okay.
Because we're laughing the last part.
I hear the crane in the distance saying to me, "Ah!" When I look up into the sky, I see way, way up high that I myself can recognize how high the crane can fly. At lunch we watch the women walk by, we whistle at them so. It makes them angry, makes them glow. But all day long we dig, constantly thinking of our bees. Placing signs that show my passion along these dirty roads. I sigh a sigh of affection to my lovely profession and begin to dig.
And that was our ode to construction workers.
Wow, that was really something. Thank you for sharing that with us. You're welcome, Your Highness.
Do you want to sing it again? We worked really hard on it.
No, thank you. That's fine. That's really generous, but please, no.